You won't guess what Chinese elders are doing these days. You probably had seen them dancing in parks, singing, playing music, exercising, pursuing their dreams as models, so unstoppable, and many more. Guess what they're doing now? Like the video for recommendations, subscribe if you're new here. Do not hesitate to share thoughts in the comment section. Let's dive into this compilation. Enjoy.
It might seem like something normal here in China, but I swear every time I see it, I'm just like, they really get it, you know? The small things in life and enjoying life and the simple pleasures, and that you don't have to stop living at a certain age. Quite the opposite, actually. Okay, I'm gonna keep on running now.
Okay, you guys know how much I love and respect my elders, and you've probably seen the viral Chinese drumming grandmas. I got to actually go to one of these free classes with my Spanish Venezuelan friend Julie, and this time, Chinese elders were learning how to use AI chat services like Yuanbao. We went to the rural town of Shaxian in Fujian province, which showed me that no matter where you go in China, elders never stop learning. The free class was in a local community center, and the teachers were fellow elderly women from the neighborhood. They wanted to teach their peers to use Yuanbao conveniently and responsibly. The questions asked were so moving. This auntie wanted to thank her husband for a Valentine's gift. The aunties loved playing with the photo feature to see their younger selves. It brought back so many feelings of nostalgia as they pulled up old photos to see themselves as children again. Look at them light up. These elders were so thoughtful, and I realized that most of the questions were about giving. These free classes illuminate their generosity as their everyday lives have improved because they share new ways to stay healthy and connected with the world, each other, and themselves.
Chinese old people are built different, and let me tell you what happened when I was in China. I saw a park. Now, for all of you that may or may not know, Chinese old people in many cases are so fit. I mean, they wake up early, they exercise, but these exercise routines are messed up. They are messed up. Like, I remember waking up one morning and I saw an old lady literally beating her back on a tree. I asked her if she's okay. I said, 你没事是吧? Yes. I'm like, are you alright? And I remember my dad once when he came, we were at the park and there were these guys, there were these old men, early morning, bro, screaming, ah, like, I don't mean like the little, ah, like full scream. And I'm like, Dad, what's going on? Oh shit, son, he's dying. Quickly, call ambulance. I said, no, Dad, I think it's exercise. What is exercise with his throat? Oh, good on your brother. Yes, you go, you do. I said that anyway. Yeah, like, you know, the Chinese old people are so built different. I swear to God, man, once, and this is going to sound tragic, but it has a good ending. I was walking in China in Hohhot, and I swear to God, I saw the freakiest car accident happen right in front of my face. An old man was struck by a car, and the scary thing is, he flew, like he was flying, like full upside down flying and shit. Like this guy was in the air doing turns. Bro, the guy landed on his butt, stood up, looked for his shopping bag, and walked off. I shit you not, I don't know. I mean, you know, sometimes they say your memory gets messed up, but it wasn't that long ago. I remember that. And I just remember seeing an old guy flying and then landing and then walking off. Like, I hope he's okay. But I told my dad about it. He goes, son, he probably lost his balls. His balls probably go to Japan.
post-retirement life in China is on a different level. In Yunnan, groups of aunties and grandmas are rocking out behind drum kits. At one local studio, more and more retired women are signing up for weekly drumming sessions, paying under 500 RMB a month. Less than what many spend on a gym. The studio now has over 500 members, ranging from 40 to 83 years old. When interviewed, one staff member said, "Their goal is not to learn, but to have fun." Across China, post-retirement clubs are booming, with aunties taking up activities like dance, rock climbing, frisbee, and even DJing.
反过来就得吵架，哎呀，说错了。雪花纷飞，飘满天空，京字儿啊，飘高挥舞，眼光闪闪呐。 那么多事儿，那么多的传统。